Just waiting for madam. He बैठा है ना इंटरव्यू जे लाइ था तव्हां जे लाइ इंतज़ार विजिट कर रहे हैं अच्छा
Could you show me the center and explain to me what's happened exactly?
Which center?
Okay, I follow you.
Would you like to
ये ॿुधाईंदी अचां सेंटर जो
So,
yeah well very first we are just going to show this thing here he attached me the speaker here you can say the Women Crisis Center for Rehabilitation for the Women in Distress and the Product Display Center also it was
you have a lot of cases here of problems.
sorry
How many cases you have?
about 37 cases, up to 37 cases. It was inaugurated on 18 September 2006 by the acting President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Honorable Mohammad Mia Sumro at that time. And officially work was started in March. From March till to this date, about
10 months.
10 months.
In the last 10 months?
10 months.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
happened?
After 10 months, it's going on still. Sorry, you may say speak.
10 months.
Within 10 months, 37 cases, about 37, you may say, is handled here. All are crisis victim or women. Different type of cases or nature of cases are the different.
Okay.
The head of a staff is the manager. It's my office. Here, you may visit it. Here, please. It's the office of a manager. Here they have explained the Ghairat ke naam par qatl, the killing on the name of honor. The power of change is in our hands, you may see.
Which one?
Here.
I will in English.
So the different type of, they have explained in different languages to explain the right of a woman by the ministry. That's what's the right of women's members.
Explain to me one more time, quickly, in few sentences, what do you have to explain to the woman? What do you have to learn there? Okay,
about this repeat, yeah. I should be.
Yeah, sorry. Okay.
When women come to us, they do not know about their rights. So we explain them that there's a lot of rights the Islam as well as the law give you. So to try to understand your rights is the right of the share in inheritance. They should be know about their inheritance right, how they could be take your inheritance from your parents, from your brother, father, or their husbands, or the filling the question of the name before the sharing it. Okay, or the right to choose the profession, or the right to choose the life partner, or try to understand your haq more, right to vote, right to how to drive your our society to face the society, so we provide them all type of the information, as they can understand very fast what their right and how they can get their rights, and from where they could be go to get your rights. So that is the very first work. Still the women do not know about their right, how they can be fight for their right.
Sorry?
Until they could not understand that what is their right, how they can be fight against their right. So the very first it is, they could be. Okay, the NGO, they have also established the, may I? PO, they could help. Okay.
Okay, he's asking about your office.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I am the manager of the center. This is my office. And we have explained the different ladies about their rights. And after explaining their rights, and we have also helped them that how we can provide them the help on different ways, like we provide them the legal as well as the medical aid, and different, we call them the legal officer here, and to make them aware about their rights, and as well as we have this card here, the social welfare, to reconciliation of the different cases. Many cases come here to reconciliation, and very first our efforts is this, to patch up the problems. As we have hang here the board, the power of the changes in our hands, and explaining their rights, then what's your rights, and explaining all these things step by step, as they can understand what is their rights.
It was difficult to explain to her the right.
No, it is not difficult now. It is our job become, and we are useful to explain these all things. And it's a very better thing, all of us, that the women have become aware about their rights. And it is the very good job, I think, done by us. Inshallah, all these things will be better. It's a little betterment.
Okay.
Hello.
Could you tell me what's happened in this desk in general?
Hello. Generally, the case come here is legal. They need to be legal aid. when the victim come here, first of all we had their problems, how many kind of needs help we gave them. We give them, first of all we try to patch up in the families, and we call opposite party and we sit together, consult with manager, then we forward case to legal officers. Or if there is no need to legal aid or legal protection, then we settle case in the office. We sit together and settle case in the office.
For you, you are a social worker. Is it possible for you to go on the family to explain to husband or to the family the right and something like this? Is it possible for you to work in the family?
Yes, it's possible, but mostly women come here and we call them, their family, into the in the office. But it's possible we have go. There mostly we have. I have and me and my manager had visited many homes, victims' home. We solved cases there at their houses. It can be, but if there is need be, but without need we had not gone there.
Okay, perfect.
Yes. Excuse me. Can you?
I will drop it there. I have convinced, I will drop it there. Yes, yes, I will drop it. You get one second from here. Yes, I have convinced, I will drop it there.
May I sit?
Okay, perfect. Let's go.
She's a girl left her home by the cruelty of their parents. They were sold her in front of court at their right.
Okay.
हाँ सेंड जो पिक्चर्स लाए छो साबुल जो ना साबुल जो कलर किलिंग मारी छे ऑनर किलिंग में साबित है।
सीमा जी
फेरोज़ा ने काफ़ी है।
सीमा जी का एक्चुअली जकिया जी प्रॉपर्टी
हाँ प्रॉपर्टी वाली। One minute. हाँ वो कटिंग दियो प्रेस कटिंग आ रही कट ये है ये लेट मारा दिस इसी में मैंने क्या रहा है
सीमा फेरोज़ा वाला पानी के लिए नहीं फेरोज़ा वाला पड़ी फेरोज़ा वाला पानी के
सभी तो पे ठीक है दिस इज
किरण
ये सीमा है ॿियो केरु आहे ज़किया ॾिवाए न ते न ज़किया न ठाहे वञा फरीदा जमाली में वास्ते ज़किया न ठाहियो न अञा
सीमा ने पढ़ा सीमा ने सभिनी ने पढ़ा
साबुल भरी
रखे साम्हूं ये ॿुधाए न केस में
साबुल जो न मां ठाहियो ई न
हे साम्हूं ॿुधाए ये स्किल के ये बस है ये साम्हूं
कथे
छड़े ले आई थी
इधर टाइट कर
हाँ, वठ।
इधर टाइट कर
ये सीमा जो थी ये वाला सीमा जो थी
इंग्लिश वालो करा सी मतलब वो कैसे सां ॿुधायूं था एक्सप्लेन कयूं था जेका हा जेका असां पाण डील कया आहिनि सेंटर में उहे वधीक बहितर आहिनि कटिंग खां बहितर
It was killed by Anand Kili.
What's the point of this woman?
She is belonging from Nasarpur and she killed herself. Committed suicide.
Suicide.
She possessed 7 children. She also committed suicide just because of poverty.
Because?
Poverty. Cause of poverty. When the man made a marriage, he does not think about how they can face the financial problems. He is just willing to get marriage. And after give birth of 7 children, when she does not face the financial problem, she committed the suicide. It is the kind of violence.
Sorry?
It is also kind of violence that men become the careless. Each?
No, only the last.
reported by her brother. Honor killing in the name of honor. Honorable woman is killed in the name of honor. In case of honor killing.
The brother.
Her brother, and with whom he is killed. Is also killed in the name of honor killing.
What happened? What happened exactly?
When she was meeting with another man, suddenly her brother came at that spot and he killed both of them without searching, without understanding the matter behind their meeting, why they are meeting. They are just in the name of honor killing, they killed both.
तव्हां हिन मूंसां ॻाल्हायो ऐं ॾेखारियो हा
हे छा आहे?
हे मां केसिस ठाहिया आहिनि ठाहिण शुरू थी
सीवी वांगुरु ठाहिया थी।
हा।
मूंखे केरु सीवी ॾेई पियो, कहिड़ी पोस्ट खाली थी आहे?
सोशल वेलफेयर जी
अच्छा, वो जेकी लिस्ट तो उहा बि मूंखे ॾेखारिजो, जेके बि कम जा रहे आहिनि।
जी कंहिंजा
साइन बाइन वग़ैरह।
हा हिकिड़ी नोट शीट थी आहे तव्हां खां पोइ
नोटशीट ते ॾेखारिजो ऐं मां उन वारो की सीडी वारो सीडी वारो जो टेलीफोन नंबर त मां निज़ाम जे हिसाब सां उहो ॻाल्हाए चवां थो ॿियो छा
सोशल वेलफेयर हा हुनजी अदब वापसि ज़ोरा ॾे ॻाल्हायूं
वापसि ज़ोरा न आहे, निज़ाम जा नंबर त उहो ई हूंदा आहिनि।
अच्छा निज़ाम
न
हाणे
आहे हाणे
हाणे किथे आहे उहा
निज़ाम जा थी वियो आहे।
अच्छा
पोस्ट मूंखे मिली आहे 4
आपा किथे
रोज़ ॿुधाईंदी आहियां नाम।
असां ख़बर न आहे
ओन जहिड़े चई हूंदा न सोशल वेलफेयर हुनजी सीडी जी 4 जेके आहे कंहिंखे मिलियल आहे त उहो लिखिजी न आहे निज़ाम बेन
हा मतिलबु ईअं त हुनखे मोकिलियो अथव इंटरव्यू जे लाइ
केरु न पियो निज़ाम ॾिया वेठो न हुयो तव्हां सां गॾु।
मां चवां न की ईअं मोकिलियो अथव इंटरव्यू जे लाइ
हा तॾहिं
आपा फ़ोन कई हुई तव्हां न हुयो न चवंदा आहिनि कैंडिडेट ॿ टे
कैंडिडेट ॾिस न इंटरव्यू जे ॾींहुं फ़ोन कई अथई उहो ख़तमु थियणो आहे सॼो साल
तव्हां हलिया विया हुआ जॾहिं पोइ
पहिरियों अचे अञा सुठो हुयो न असांखे।
अच्छा जेको असां नासिर आज़ाद नदीम खोसो हुयो न इन्हनि सां आधा मिलियो वञी इंटरव्यू जे अॻु में बि पोइ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एक्सप्लेन यू दिस केस लेडी फ्रॉम उस्ता मोहम्मद सीमा she came at my home and registered her case. She came my home and registered her case. She was needy. She was a very needy girl because her parents were killing her in honor killing, the name of killing honor. Then we registered her case and hired advocate. Then advocate he was before in front of case, in front of court. Then center provided her legal aid. She was needed shelter. As we have not facility of shelter, therefore we sent her to Darul Aman Ladkana. Seema Ghulam Muhammad Dawar waited with her husband, cousins. First of all, he was married with cousins, but after 1 year, her cousins divorced her. Then her parents and her uncles selling her again without her wish. She was not willing. Then she came center for help. Center immediately helped her and registered her case and fight her case, and the case was also successfully final.
What did you do exactly for her?
We did for her, we provided her legal aid, legal protection, and sent her to Darul Aman Ladkana because she was threatened to be murdered. Then center immediately sent her Darul Aman for shelter.
And now where she is?
She is from Usta Mohammed.
No, where she is now?
She is
No.
on the center where we
Referred Darul Aman Ladkana.
Okay.
She is living there.
Center where all victims seek a shelter for their life security. There is a special center here in Sindh, Larkana. Larkana is a city.
Called Darul Aman.
All the victims went there, go there and throw the any center or any source there they can survive their life. Now she is there, safe and sound.
It was our first case initially.
Perfect.
ड्राइवर बटी ना वो गाड़ी मोटा है
Macam tadi bawa Bashir bila betul sakit gara aku sudah ketemu dia dah tu. Ni tu. Ini boleh. Saya balik garang sih.
Mama? Mama?
My friend from the special police, Commodore. Could you tell something for my friend Oliver? Hi Oliver.
Tabii.
ये मुझे दोस्त आ रहा इसको Oliver for my partner who work with me. Thank you.
They burned his heart on that day. They burned this house with petrol.
Where we are? Where are we? Where are we?
District Council Hall.
Sorry, I get. What happened here?
What?
What happened here?
On the murder of Begum Mohtarma Benazir Shahi, on that day, the people burned this district council hall. This is a meeting hall of district government.
मोड़ ते थींदा जो ना
ठीक है
सॉरी जो कटे तो केड़ा परेशान है
Don't worry.